What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are headed to Tony's house and we are changing the oil on his DRZ. So we're headed to Tony's house and we're gonna go help him change the oil. So I know when Tony gets his bike license, I know he's going to start trying to do some motor vlogging, so you guys should definitely look out for that. But I think he's going to put it on his own channel, which I think I'm going to do the same thing this summer. So hopefully there'll be some motor vlog channels that you guys can start following from me and Tony, and maybe Brandon. I don't know if he's going to do it or not, but definitely going to be at least me and Tony. I don't know if it's just me, probably is just me, but when I have like things on my neck, it freaking makes me want to throw up. I honestly hate helmets. Bike life. That was fun. My stupid butt forgot to bring an adapter for the memory card, so I can't switch to a good camera. But, oh well. We'll make this work. Now the bike's warmed up, I'm just gonna sit here and watch him do all the work. Get your skid plate on. Alright, I'm going to take the oil filter cap off, see what kind of condition that's in. Make sure your O-ring comes off with that. Put that back inside of your cap. I have another one. Either by OEM or K&N. I don't really like any other filters. Grab yourself a little screwdriver or something. Pop it out. I don't see any big chunks of metal or anything like that. This is a good sign. Any big chunks of metal sitting in there. I'll wipe that out. Pop this bad boy in. Obviously this side goes in. It's supposed to be a little rubber grommet, kind of like the O-ring. It goes in that little stub right there. And it's not on the old filter. And it didn't fall out, which kind of sucks, but I'm going to change the oil again soon anyway. I'm going to use this oil to flush it out. I'm just going to go pop this one on there. For now, just a little arrow in there, make sure that's upright position. Snug those bad boys up.
just a little bit. That's good to go. Right here, this little clamp here. Do that, undo that, and take this thing off. Can't really see it, but there's a screen inside there that should be clean, and I'm pretty sure it's probably never been cleaned. A lot of people don't do it because they don't know it's there. I'm gonna take that off, and I got some brake cleaner, soak it, or whatever I gotta do to get it clean. All right, so I got the screen out. It's got some decent amount of garbage and trash on there. It's a 15/16, or I guess metric would be like 23 or 24, something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna clean that off. It's a lot easier to get to. You're gonna need a deep socket, and then you're gonna need to take your little hose off here. That little clamp, it's kind of a pain, but that's the best way to do it. Just take that completely off. Good old brake cleaner, car choke cleaner, whatever. All of it. Just use all of it. Who cares? Looking much better. I can actually see through the other side now. See a little bit of trash right there. Put it right back in. Snug it up real nice. This guy here was a 14, I believe. Yep. Go ahead and put this guy back in. You could even rinse him out too, but I wouldn't want to put too much ether on the rubber hose there. I had him over there out of the way. Just get it started and go ahead and put the hose back on so you have a little room to play with, because it's pretty tight. Get the hose clamp tightened down. I gotta put this back here so I have something to push on. Nice and tight. There's 14. Gotta tighten this guy up. Nice and snug. I already went through and pulled all the other drain bolts in, the one on the bottom here, somewhere. Right here. That's the one with the magnet on it. Took that one out, put that one in. The main one right here for frame. The oil filter. Grab a funnel, filler. 2 quarts of oil for this guy here. I can't find my funnel. 10W40 full synthetic AMS oil. I'm just gonna go for it. Dipstick. A lot of you are probably yelling right now because I'm rubbing it on my dirty pants, but whatever. Set it on there. Oh, don't screw it on, and yeah, funny. Actually, I should wait a second to let it sink down. Yep. It's proper oil change on DRZ.